The Oral-B IO3 comes with three brushing modes designed to match different oral care needs. Daily Clean delivers balanced power for everyday plaque removal. Sensitive mode lowers the intensity for gentler brushing if your teeth or gums feel tender. Gum Care focuses more on the gum line with a slightly adjusted rhythm to support healthier gums. Switching modes is simple. If the toothbrush is off, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the LED ring changes color. White represents daily clean, green signals sensitive mode, and red indicates gum care. Release the button when your preferred color appears. You can also switch modes while the brush is on by briefly pressing the power button to cycle through each option. If the LED won't change, charge the toothbrush fully, as low battery is the most common cause. If it becomes unresponsive, hold the power button for about 10 seconds to reset it. For best results, start with daily clean, move to sensitive if needed, and use gum care a few times per week for added gum support. For personalized advice, consult your dentist